So let's talk about how you sign up. Again, this is the sign up form. That's the link there. You can also see in the chat the link dropped. That link is also on the campaign website. Bookmark this, keep it in mind. And I'd say if you have any interest, again, this is no obligation, so you can fill it out today and make sure that you can save your spot in Solarize. And let's meet our contractor partners. We have two awesome contractor partners. Our one partner is Common Energy. Common Energy is based in Hood River County. The owner is Scott Sorensen, and Common Energy has been around for 19 years. We're excited to have Common Energy be a part of the campaign. They do awesome work. And we also have Sunbridge Solar. Sunbridge Solar is a registered B Corp. Owner is Jordan Weissman, pictured here in the photograph. Sunbridge has been around for 12 years. And we actually have Rachel. Rachel, just if you want to just like say hi and wave.
Yeah, I can talk for a bit if you want.
Yeah, if you want to just give like a real brief intro, but we're gonna have you available for Q&A mostly.
Okay.
So
yeah, I'll just be quick. Hi everyone, my name is Rachel. I'm a solar estimator at Sunbridge Solar. My job is to educate homeowners on the basics of solar, which Zach has done a tremendous job of today, as well as the incentives available to them. And Sunbridge Solar, we've been around since 2010, so that's for 12 years, like Zach mentioned. And we are a certified B Corporation, so we value our workers, customers, environment, community as much as our profits. And on behalf of everyone at Sunbridge Solar, we are so excited and honored to be a part of the Solarize Oregon campaign.
Awesome. Thanks, Rachel. Yeah, great to have you here. And if you do have specific technical questions, like I said, Rachel might be a great resource in the Q&A. So those are our two installers, really great installers for the Solarize campaign. So very excited about that. I want to give you a quick overview of what solar installation looks like in terms of the process. So, contractors provide what is called a turnkey service, meaning that when you decide it's time to go solar, I'm ready, I want to do this, you sign the contract, you pay for the system. The contractor handles everything else, and that includes the permitting, applying for the Energy Trust of Oregon and the state rebate incentives on your behalf and passing that on to you. And then once that portion of the preparation is complete, which can take a couple of months just to set your expectations, at a certain point, the contractor will get you on their construction calendar, and the installation itself takes just 1 or 2 days for most residential installs. And so that's the great news. It's a relatively painless process to actually install. After installation, there are a couple of things that the contractor will need to do, including manage the inspections for the system, as well as get you your new bidirectional meter for your net metering. And then they will commission your system and turn it on as soon as the utility gives them the green light. So that's the process. If you participate in the campaign here in September, October, you probably won't expect your installation date to be before 2023, just to set your expectations. So it's good to know that there will be a little bit of a process there. But that's it, and it's very easy. And once you're installed, you have sunshine powering your lights, your appliances, everything in your home, and it is a tremendous feeling.